Hey guys, today we're making Cincinnati Chili. If you've never been to Cincinnati and had this delicacy, you're in for a treat. It's a little time consuming, but mostly just simmering time, and it's perfect for that cold weekend day when you can smell this cooking all afternoon. Recipe linked below, so let's get started. We'll start by adding 1 pound of ground beef to a Dutch oven or a stock pot. Then add 2 cups of cold water. Set your heat to medium high to start, and break up the meat as best you can. I know this looks weird, but just trust me, this is going to be amazing when it's done. We want this to simmer but not vigorously boil, so adjust your heat accordingly when it comes up to temp. We'll let this go for about 30 minutes like this. So while that's simmering, let's get an onion diced and 2 cloves of garlic minced. You can do a larger dice on the onion if you want. This is going to all but disappear by the end. So we'll put that in a bowl for now, and onto the garlic. A quick mince here is just fine. Now let's get our spices prepared. I have a half a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt. Give those a quick mixing, and we're ready to begin phase 2. Back to our simmering meat, we'll go ahead and add the minced garlic and the diced onion to the pot. Now add 1 cup of crushed tomatoes and a half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and our spices that we measured out earlier. So give this a really thorough mixing, and now we wait. We want this to simmer on low, uncovered for around 3 hours. This is going to let it develop all of its magical flavors. Give it a quick stir occasionally and add a splash of water here and there if it seems like it's getting a bit thick. After 3 hours or so, it should look about like this. The consistency should be a little loose, but I'm going to add another quick splash of water here and mix that in. Perfect. This is traditionally served over a bed of cooked spaghetti noodles. So get a good portion on there, and of course a mountain of shredded cheddar cheese on top, as is tradition, and optionally some freshly diced onions. This dish has a complex flavor profile and is really unique and so delicious. I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.